morning, everyone. Good morning. Today is a totally different kind of vlog that we are doing, as you can see by my general appearance. And Keenan's too. He's got some crazy dude hair. But I would say mine is even worse. Anyways, today we thought it would be interesting to show you what a day in the life of our actual life is. Travel vlogging. Because yes, we show you the fun things to do, but sometimes, and most times, we're traveling. And those are the days that are not as fun, okay? But we do it for you guys. We do it for you. But these are the days that actually suck ass, and we just thought it would be fun to vlog that to show you like what actually is really going on.
So right now we're packing and we have an 8-9 hour drive to Cairo.
Yes.
Because we stayed an extra day. We were gonna break it up and like stay a day less and do like a 4-hour drive, stay somewhere for the night and do a 4-hour drive.
Yeah.
But we decided we love Seiwa so much that we're gonna do an 8-hour drive, our longest drive in Egypt.
Yeah. Seiwa honestly is like a paradise. It's a paradise. It's like an oasis, and we're staying in an oasis in Oasis. So 100% if you come to Egypt, this is where you need to go. My favorite place by far in Egypt. Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna pack, and then we're gonna make our drive, and we're taking you along. And also we're gonna say goodbye, which we always have to do. We have to say goodbye to people, and it's sad. And there's a puppy down there who I'm gonna be so excited to see again. But then I have to say goodbye, so sad. So yeah, come along with us. Stuff in the car. Keenan is very particular about where to put things in the car because this man is OCD. And then look at who we have over here. We have the guys. We have the friends. Oh, you guys, I have to say goodbye to these guys. So sad. So sad. But yeah, anyways, Keenan is very, very OCD about where I put things. So usually I just put them at the base of the car and then he organizes. Cheers. Wow, look at my big strong man. Ooh. Bye room. Pretty room. We're saying goodbye to our best friends here. So sad.
They're having a little play.
They are. Can you imagine having to say goodbye to puppies?
What's their names, babe?
Oh, this is Mr. Wonderful, and this is Princess Piggy, because she likes to eat a lot. Ow, but she is crazy. So
And she has a bit of an attitude. So
she's got a huge tude. And
last night, Mackenzie had too much puppy, and she was. You definitely overdosed on puppy last night.
I was puppy drunk.
You were puppy drunk. It was so funny.
So excited.
It was time to say goodbye. Oh, he just fell over. And we are checking out probably our favorite place.
For sure. It's like an oasis. Aw. Saeed Vima Arafatik. Thanks for all your help. We loved meeting you. Hopefully see you again. Yes.
Maybe one day we'll come back.
Cute. Bye, Salah. Thank you for everything.
We're trying to come back one day.
Okay. Off we go. Wow. Anyways, we're gonna go into town really quick, get some food, and then off we go. Oh, we're gonna miss Seiwa. It's so beautiful. Okay, before we head out of town, we're gonna get some quick gifts. And what?
Oh, you wanna go this way around?
I don't care. Some quick gifts, and then we are gonna get some breakfast to take away, and gas and coffee. So, check this out. The Shali Fortress. Best sunset spot, I think. Found one shop that was open. A lot of them aren't open today, which is kind of sad. But yeah, we need some things.
Just see
We're getting these fresh dates. So we're getting lots of fresh dates. We got some mash. We got some olive oil. We got these amazing pomegranate molasses. So good. And all of that is $5.40. Almost like $11. So that's pretty good. Keenan's getting some brekkie. With that, we're getting some gas now. And fun fact, I just sprained my ankle walking and getting cash. What'd you think about that, Keenan? What'd you think about my big dip? Now I'm gonna be literally limping for the rest of the day now, so that's cool. Oh my God, that hurt like hell.
Baby almost said she tore her ankle.
I probably tore my ligaments, Keenan. All right, well, we finally hit the road at a ripe 1 o'clock.
8 hours to go.
Typical, that's typical of us. So if you want to see what a full real day of our timings, that's it. Yeah, so this is pretty much, we made this drive at least from here to Mars Matru twice or once now, so we know what we're coming across, and it's going to be a lot of this for the next 3 hours, and then maybe it'll get more interesting. So
maybe. Who knows? Is there any
weird. So we made it to a gas station.
Hey.
Hey, I've been having a little nap. Sorry, Keen. This one has a cappuccino, I think.
Yeah.
How long have we been on the road so far?
2 hours.
2 hours.
6 hours 30 left.
You're doing great.
I am tired.
Sorry. I really just conked out. And we're listening to a podcast right now. Ooh. Hey, we have something for you. Camera's reaching its limits. There we go. That we'll see like things in these gas stations I haven't seen in such a long time, like warheads or push pops or all these different things that are really delicious. Candies I haven't had in years. So that's what we're gonna go do. Like this vibe. Do they have any warheads? See, there's push pops down there. You want some Dubai chocolate? Huh? You can get it at the gas stations here, which is actually really interesting. Milk kunafa with almond cream, blonde chocolate kunafa mousse. Ooh. This is the guy that we met. We've been to this gas station once before. Long drive. Long. Pie chocolate with kunafa and pistachio sauce.
Oh wow. Where's that?
I don't know. It looks good though.
It's probably a cake.
Yeah. Cool. It's Dubai chocolate with pistachios taken the world by storm. Anyways, let's get our cappuccinos and go. Hey buddies. Wow. Cool wild camel. Oh, they are stank. You guys stink. Hello. Oh, baby camels with your baby humps. That's cute. Hey, dude.
You think he feels threatened?
I don't know. It's not like he's gonna come at the car. All right, sir, please. It's time for you to move. He's getting sassy. You can tell he's a grumpy old man. Okay, Keenan. Where are we now?
Headed to Cairo. I don't know. We're on the road from Mars Matru to Cairo.
Yeah. So we're like halfway, right?
We're halfway from Seiwa to Cairo, but we probably passed Mars Matru like half hour ago.
Okay. Sea, I can still see is over there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can see it. And then desert that way. And then also it seems like where we are now, we have cell phone service. It looks like it's a little bit more built up. Okay, so task number 1 for us is to get the car washed on the outside a bit because Keenan can't see anything from back there because it's
Especially when we start
dusty.
getting into Cairo.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know
And one other task that I would only share because in this video we're telling you about daily life is we're posting a YouTube tonight. And so we need to have a thumbnail ready to go.
And a description.
And a description. So that usually takes us like maybe
a couple hours, an hour and a half.
An hour and a half. Depends on like if we already know what we're gonna do for the thumbnail. Do you guys like our thumbnails? Should we improve it anyway? Let us know.
So maybe what we can do is we can take a break while we're driving and somewhere that can clean the car and we'll do work.
That's a big part of all of this too, is when we're traveling, we're also like trying to keep on top of everything. YouTube's
definitely free.
Probably like 4 or 5 reels during a week.
And then
Reel, TikTok, and short.
And then just admin and stuff.
Yeah, but doing all of that like with admin and trying to like work with brands and stuff like that.
It's difficult.
Along with doing this, like these kinds of days where you don't have service, things can happen. And then like we try to travel. We're like doing our travel vlog, so you can see how it's just a lot at once. It's fun, but it gets exhausting sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes like we find, say we visit a place, like we very easily miss being in the moment there.
Yeah.
So like it's always nice to like have a bit of time to ourselves to like enjoy the day, no filming, just like really soak in.
One thing we do, like I don't know if other travel vloggers do this because I feel like they move constantly, is we obviously go slower. We do a lot of videos in one country because we can't like I don't think either of us physically and mentally could like just move country to country all the time, but we like to explore the culture anyway, so it makes sense. But one thing that we do between places, we take like a month or a couple months off because we're ahead of videos, and so then we just like work. Keenan has his business back in the UK. If any of you want to subscribe and tell your friends about our videos, that would be very helpful.
That would be like the best thing we can do.
Yeah, if you guys like our stuff, that's the best thing. Alright, so we found a car wash, which is cool. Keenan needs to move the car a little bit more. Guys directing us because we're over like a... What are we over right now? Some sort of pit.
The pit's gonna wash us.
Oh, okay.
From underneath.
Oh, really? That's cool. That pit is gonna wash us from underneath. Chopin. Alright, so the pit is gonna wash us from underneath. Do you guys want to see that pit? Show you that pit. Oh, my ankle. Jeez. Alright, sure. Do you see that pit under there? That's cool. Cool, so we're gonna get washed quickly. Oh no, please, no. I'll let you go first and then I'll man you and then you man me. Wish me luck. Wasn't great. What? What do you mean?
They've lifted it up.
Oh, wow. Check that out.
So we can sit there.
Cool.
You want to go over?
I just want to video it. It's cool. I've never seen this before. Look at our car.
Yeah,
so cool.
Well, I don't know. It was 150. It wasn't much, but
It's pretty
like
good.
$3.
And it's about 9:30 now. So yeah, we have an Airbnb in Cairo that we're gonna stay at, and the host is, or whoever, maybe like one of their assistants, are gonna meet us for the key. So we'll see how that goes. There's always some sort of issue getting there or meeting somebody, so hopefully there's no issue late at night. Right, Keen?
Yeah, hopefully it's plain sailing.
Yeah, hopefully. You never can bet that there is gonna be, but maybe for us today it will be.
It's whiz past.
Yeah, what we've noticed is people love to like whiz past us as fast as humanly possible and like be this close. So you can feel the other car just take you over.
This is where we get into the Wizzy world.
Wizzy world. We made it. And our place is somewhere in there. It's kind of a cute area where we are. And the Airbnb person's like hot on Keenan right now. So it's probably a good sign that they want to know where we are. For keys. Freaking.
Yeah.
Okay, so we just made it. Keenan's letting the lady downstairs. Nice place. place. That place, that was gorgeous. Okay. Yeah, so fancy. We've got TV, which is nice. Let's see. Oh, good. I see a king-size bed. And then I think there's lots of windows, which is good. Look at that. Yeah, that is a sizable bed. Good. What else do we have? What's over here? Ooh, full-length mirror. Woohoo! This place is missing puppies, though. That's the thing. Nice bath. Oh, is that a bath? Is that a bathtub? Oh, don't mind if I do. I haven't seen a bathtub. I think this is the first bathtub I've seen in Egypt. It even has a headrest. What a treat. And then finally, what is this over here? Oh, slides. Oh, storage. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go help Keenan with the stuff, and we're gonna go to bed. It's like 11 now, so this is a pretty good example of what it's like travel vlogging these days. So I'm glad you guys got to join us. What do you think that is? Is that just pipe coming out of the fucking wall? That is rogue, man. I think it's just some sort of, what the hell? Okay. All right. Good night.